This video will go over how to both assemble and install your A7312S stainless steel stable load for your truck. If you need just the installation, skip to 350 on the timeline. To start, assemble your wedges consisting of 3 pieces. When all 3 wedges are stacked, all of the holes should line up and all the slanted, smooth wedges should be in a direct slope. Then, secure the wedges with a 3/8 hex bolt, going through the hole shown here, making sure to secure it with the provided nut. Next, grab a lower clamp plate and an upper clamp plate, making sure the hole patterns are the same on both, as there are both right and left sides. Then, insert a rubber grommet into the lower clamp plate at the location shown. It may help to smooth out the grommet by using a provided pin. Insert the tab on the lower plate into the slot on the upper plate as shown. Insert the aluminum spacer between the 2 clamping plates and align it with the countersunk hole. Then, secure it with the provided socket cap screw and flange nut. Next, place a nylon washer on the upper clamp plate and 2 nylon spacers between the upper and lower clamp plate. Insert the 1/2-inch bolt through the holes shown, going through the nylon washer and the nylon spacers before securing it on the other side with the provided nut. Then, insert a Clevis pin through the wedge pack and clamping plates. For both of these next steps, you will see them covered more in depth during the installation portion of the video. For additional security when installing the stable load on your truck, you will want to thread the lanyard through itself before securing it to the lower clamp plate hole with the provided 1/4-inch hardware. For the installation, you will place the flange nuts down through the hexagonal holes in the bottom clamping plate. To start the install, hold the drill template with the tabs facing up on the bottom end of the lower overload spring. Slide the template towards the axle until it stops. Using the supplied drill bits, divot the spring approximately 1/8 of an inch in each of the 3 template hole locations, repeating on each side of the lower overload springs. Place the stable load onto the lower overload spring. Thread a set screw up into each of one of the flange nuts. The set screw should align with the divots made earlier. Install a jam nut with one flat washer onto the bottom of each set screw. Tighten and torque the bolts to the foot-pounds labeled in the instructions. Wrap the lanyard around the main leaf back and through the looped end of the lanyard, attaching it to the 1/4-inch bolt provided. Your install may need to remove the parking brake cable in order to prevent it from rubbing against the stable load. There are detailed instructions in the booklet on how to set that up if necessary. Once all the previous steps are complete, your StableLoads are ready to be engaged and disengaged whenever you need them. This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.